everyone, my name is Kalinmonet Brown, and if you're new to the channel, I also go by Kalinmonet as my artist name. And what this channel is, it's to share my knowledge with you all if you're a new artist, or either an established artist, or maybe you just want somebody, or if you just want to have something to reference back to, maybe you are further along in your career, you just want to retouch or get a different opinion about stuff. I have been an artist for my whole entire life, but for the past 4 years, I have been attending art shows and art fairs, exhibitions, and showcasing my work, and also have expanded into home decor items and accessories, and also now a new apparel line with my ink drawings from over the years. And yeah, definitely go check them out on my website. I left all the links below. But enough about me. This is all for you. And in this episode of Exploring Art, we're going to be talking about writing a CV, a bio, and also a artist statement, because that is honestly something I struggled with when I first started. It was very uncertain, I have to say. And hopefully all this information I share with you in today's video will give you another insight versus all the stuff you see on the internet, and you can write your own artist statement, bio, and CV. So let's first talk about what a bio is. A bio is going to talk about where you're from, where you are based, what your medium preference is, or if you work in a variety of mediums, you can write some of them out too or express that. And also you're going to talk about what inspires your artwork, in addition to some publications, some exhibitions that stood out for you, or art shows and fairs and things of that sort, what you've done over the years, or over the past couple of months, or even over the past couple of days as a new artist. So that is a bio, and I'm going to use my bio as a reference for you all, because honestly I'm going to be rewriting mine very soon, in addition to my artist statement, because we all grow, we all change, and we all have different experiences over the years, over time, and every once in a while you need to look back at your artist statement and also at your bio and revise it to reference what you're working on as of now. So next up, we're going to talk about what a artist statement is, and that artist statement is pretty much just strictly all about your artwork. You're going to be talking about where your inspiration comes from, again, what kind of medium you like working with, or mediums. Probably you might include in there what you have previously worked on and what influenced that, and how that transitioned into what you're currently working on if you're an artist who's been working for a long period of time. Or if you're a new artist, you can talk about what led you into becoming an artist and what inspires you to create what you do create, and things of that sort. And an artist statement can be about half a page, maybe even a full page long. When you are applying to submissions, sometimes they'll tell you specifically how long they want your artist statement to be. Same thing also goes for your bio as well. And I find that a lot of places that I've applied to for opportunities for art shows, exhibitions, and things of that sort, they might ask for something between 100, 150 to 200, 250 words for your bio, and also sometimes for your artist statement. Sometimes they might allow you up to 500, maybe even more. Depends on the company that you're applying with. I'm sure galleries would love to see more the better. And on top of that, it's going to be easier for you when you are applying to galleries and when you're applying to opportunities and things of that sort, to have a longer artist statement and also a longer bio, because it's much easier to shorten it than it is to expand it. And trust me, believe me on that one. And also too, it's good to have something that's a little bit playful and a little bit fun, discussing about your artwork and combining your artist statement and your bio for when you're doing art fairs. Just a quick tip, because people love reading something exciting about the artists at the art shows and art fairs. And then moving on to the last thing, which is the CV, which is pretty much your resume. And it looks very similar to a resume, but it could be up to 2 pages long. That's the only difference. And on there, you're going to have your name, you're going to have your contact information. If you are working at a company that is art related, you're going to list that, in addition to past exhibitions, art shows and fairs and things of that sort, past publications and the years when all of these happen. And also you can include any associations that you're associated with or affiliations and things of that sort. It's all about your accomplishments over the years, over the past few months, or even over the past couple of days. And if you're a new artist, you might not have much to put there, but that is why your artist statement and also your bio come in handy for you as an alternative to having a CV. And trust me, over the years it will grow. So do not worry if you don't have it together right now. For example, here's my CV, and it started out with 1 show, and over the years it expanded to what you see now. And that has been the past 3 years. And mind you, a lot of artists go on for 10 years, 20 years, forever. Hopefully all this has helped you in creating your own CV, your own bio, and your own artist statement for when it's time to submit to galleries and shows and things of that sort. Or either have something for your website, because that's something that you should have onto your website when people visit. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I left my email down below, or message me here. Or either you can write to me on Instagram as well. I'm very responsive. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button. And thank you for tuning in to Exploring the Arts with me. And I will see you next time. Bye.